this rock right above me, it slants down and it stops the cave right there.
You know that?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to this next one.
No water will drip over.
Echo?
But you say from behind. So you're dry.
Echo!
You're dry and you can start a fire under there.
That's a good cave.
Does it stop?
Yeah, it stops. No.
Oh my goodness.
What? Almost hit your
But can
head.
you see it?
Yeah, how can you see it? Yeah, you can see the light.
Yep. Or it goes uphill.
Maybe. Maybe. Let's not figure out.